Hi guys, Joy here. Surprise video. I wasn't gonna do too many bonus videos because honestly, I don't think I can keep it up, and I don't want to make promises that I can keep or have expectations that I can keep. But this is the last day that I'm leaving this apartment, and like I said before, this is the apartment where pretty much everything happened as far as YouTube goes. Well, everything kind of like grew. So I just wanted to say thank you guys, and I think a lot of you would feel just as loving and attached, and also a little bit sad about this leaving this place. So I decided that I will give you guys a quick tour today. This will be the last tour because I'm literally leaving at 1 p.m. and I believe it's like around 9 something right now here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Now over here, this is everything that I'm taking with me. Now I decluttered my bed that was like in this corner, my floor bed. As I said before, I got a floor bed that was like a bit bigger than I would have gotten had I been living alone at that time. But I got it for someone, you know, to share. So now that I am just moving on my own, I want to get like a smaller pad. And then I could always get the bigger one if and when they come back. And over here is it's everything that I said before. There's Joe. I just want to say that like whatever's in here, it's actually one of my blankets, the white polka dot one that looks like kind of rocks that I told you about before. And it's actually pretty light, so I can actually carry this around all day if I wanted to. Now here's the Wi-Fi machine. I haven't unplugged it yet, but I'm gonna unplug it and put it into my suitcase because I wanted to have internet so I can upload this video and get on with it. So let's see. Over here is the cabinet. So you guys can see there is nothing in this house, literally at this point. There's the drying rack that I'm gonna leave it for the next tenant. And over here, nothing in this cabinet. Yes, I use my toes to open it. The real minimalist channel, y'all. Too real. I gotta keep it in check. And over here is also nothing. Nothing in this cabinet. Now here's my island. There's my coffee that I actually got last night, but I was so tired yesterday. I went to the river again, and I just decided I'm not gonna drink all of it and then just sleep. So there's that. Nothing in here. Woohoo! And it's my earphones. And over here in the fridge, nothing. Over here in the fridge, nothing. I had some cherries in a plastic bag that I planned on eating before leaving, but I couldn't, so I gave it to one of the guys that just came in to finish, I guess, to finish paying off the gas bills thus far. So he came in and then did his stuff here. There's nothing in here either. Woohoo! So I just gave the cherries to that guy. So there's a trace of all the stickers that I worked so hard to remove. Now, and let's move over here into the kitchen area. There's my last bit of trash. But over here, nothing as usual. I mean, this is probably boring for people who've been following my channel that I have so little stuff in the cabinets. This is just the vent. But I really don't have anything else stashed away. Now, a disclaimer, I did have 2 big boxes and I had 1 small box. That's about, I guess that's about like around this size, and then just that height. Well, around there. And then I just shipped that. So today I can travel pretty light and not have anything else. So there's that. Let's see, where else? Let's go over here. Hi guys! I'm doing this so I can see you and you can see me while I do the tour. But over here, nothing. Over here, just a bunch of stuff that came with the house. I'm leaving the multi-tap for the next tenant. It's one of those things I don't think they're gonna be upset that I left behind. Over here, my sandals that I'm gonna be wearing today. And let's move to the bathroom. Ta! There's nothing in here. Just this paper that I've been using as toilet paper, tissue paper. And over here, also nothing. yeah, and over in the shower, also nothing. Woohoo! And finally declutter the foot mattress. So you guys, that is everything that is in my apartment. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? See and believe. I'm leaving. I'm a bit sad because I really love this view that was here. Woohoo! It's a nice view to wake up to and just space out to. But I think it's about time that I move on. And next up, I really hope to find a place. I am actually going to be like in like an intermediary place. I'm not gonna go into too much detail as to where and stuff like that, privacy guys. But essentially I'm going to be looking for a new place after October. So I'm going to be staying somewhere and I'm not going to be alone. So you can see the different ways an actual minimalist might live with people who are not minimalist. And then you can see my journey in finding the perfect place and things like that in the future. I thank you guys always for watching. I'm really excited to share this video with you. Just, you know, I feel like I can't thank you guys enough, and that the whatever expressions that I show now won't be enough. But I just want to say I love this place and I love you guys for watching my channel, and I'm sure you guys feel just as mixed feelings about this place and moving on and things like that. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys, because in a way you guys are my virtual friends in this time of Corona, so it's really the next best thing to just grabbing coffee with you guys. But in that case, I would love to actually grab coffee with you guys one day. I know I have like friends all over the world at this point that watch this channel, so I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are in the world. I miss you. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful life as usual, and I'll catch you guys later at a new place that I'm going to be staying in. Bye. Thank you.